Nano Enhanced exists to fill the gap between our Nano and our small GPS product lines. Compared to Nano GPS, all other things being equal, Nano Enhanced has a slightly larger electronic circuit board footprint and weighs 1.5 grams more than Nano, but it has a much better GPS antenna. Now, compared to our small GPS product line, all other things being equal, Nano Enhanced has a slightly smaller electronic circuit footprint and weighs 5 grams less. That is important when you are trying to keep to a 3% of body weight for example, a 500-gram animal. With Nano Enhanced, that puts you at a product weight of just 15 grams, with much of that weight dedicated to the battery. But with the small GPS product line, given the same total weight of 15 grams, there would be very little of that 15 grams devoted to the battery. So Nano Enhanced fills this gap between Nano and small really well. The features include long-range automatic data transfer. It has an accelerometer and gyroscope so that GPS schedule modifications can be made based on the animal's activity. It includes a temperature logger and a feature called Smart Temperature. I'm going to get back to these features in a moment. Now, it's available as backpack or collar and available with either primary or rechargeable batteries. Now, back to the features. The long-range automatic data transfer is a feature whereby the GPS data stored in the collar will transmit to a base station automatically without the need for any kind of human input. Then you use our base station info app in the field to see what the base station has actually recovered. And if you've got everything, you're done. If you haven't, then you can go and pursue more downloads if you're doing it manually. The accelerometer and gyroscope can be used to detect movements that trigger modifications to the GPS schedule that you already put in the device. For example, in a turtle, if you want to know that the turtle is out of the water and walking towards a nest, that can be detected, and the GPS schedule can be modified based on that activity. The temperature logger isn't just giving you a temperature every time there's a GPS reading, but it's actually a programmable temperature logger that you can schedule independent of the GPS positioning. And Smart Temperature is a feature that may be useful with herps when you want to know more information about the animal's movements when there's a certain temperature change, either up or down. So Smart Temperature detects this temperature change that you set the parameters for that, and then will modify the GPS schedule to increase the number of GPS positions when that temperature change happens. For more information, please use the contact form on our website or email us at sales@telemetrysolutions.com.